Right, this is the start of our tour to Switzerland. At the meeting place. All ready to rock and roll. So, let's go. Right, we're on our way to Switzerland. Down to the ferry at Hull. Just had our first coffee stop at Whitby. Lovely day, red hot. So we'll probably see you down near the ferry. A quick pit stop in Morrison's just before we get the ferry. Right, we've arrived in Holland. We're in the hold on the ship. I think the bikes will be the last ones out because all the cars have got to go out first. We're stuck in the middle. Nice crossing, flat as a pancake. Looks red hot. Anyway, we'll leave it here and we'll pick it up later on. Right, we've finally arrived in Cockham. The second leg of our journey. It's been lashing it down most of the way here, but the clouds are clearing now. It's a bit stifly, but it's okay. Try this in the view. Right, we're on day 3 of our trip to Switzerland. We've left Cockham and we've come over the valleys. Got the Mosel on the left. And we're heading for near Freiburg in southern Germany. It's a lovely day up there now. Just we kind of get our sat navs lined up. So both of us want to do different directions, but we'll sort that out. That's the crew. That's Gary, Janet and Mary and me. And Paul Maxson, he's got the Nürburgring, so he's left us for a while. You're looking at the start of the B500 in Baden-Baden. This is where we got to yesterday. We didn't get as far as we liked. We left Cockham and Gary liked it that much. We did 4 laps of Cockham before we got here, and it was a bit late. We're about 50 miles away from where we were supposed to be going, but never mind. But it looks like another nice day. Scenery's beautiful, and that's the way we're heading. Here we are, just starting the B500 through the Black Forest. On our way to Switzerland. We should be in Switzerland tonight. It's about 200 miles away. It's the first real chance we've had to film, as we've been on the motorway nearly all the way down to here. Anyway, enjoy the scenery and the road. And the sun's out anyways, at least. Last time we came here, it was absolutely tipping down and it was foggy. We were sick of our lives. It's a joy to get on the country roads. We've been on the motorway nearly all the way here. And the traffic is just horrendous. The temperature has dropped dramatically coming up here. It's nice and cool. It's lovely and sunny. It's lovely and cool as well. We've been on the road since about 9:30 this morning. It's about 10 o'clock now. And it was 22 degrees when we set away at 9:30. Temperature's dropped to 18. No wonder the cars in front want to slow down. Look at the scenery. Looks to be building a viewpoint there for a car park. This is where we were before. Stopping the lay-by here. In the fog and the rain. What a difference. Jim! I think we better freaking boss lad.
This is what we signed up for, isn't it?
Huh?
This is what we signed up for.
Aye. Can you remember that calf?
Well, I said to Mary,
Yeah, it's just things.
can I remember coming this far?
No. I can remember, do you know the turn off up there?
Aye.
I can remember that. And then I thought that calf was a bit further.
Well, I thought we'd missed the calf because I didn't think we came this far.
Well, I didn't, but we must have, because that was definitely the calf.
Oh, 100%. So, there must be a lay-by up here where we pulled in and said, enough's enough, and went back that calf.
Yeah.
And you remember?
I think we just pulled into the lay-by and stopped, didn't we?
I thought there was a left-hand bend with a lay-by, and we pulled into the lay-by and said, look, let's just knock it on the head, and then we went back to that calf.
Right, we're heading towards Shilltock now. Just took the wrong road back there and we've had a little detour. Entered a little village called Shilltock, which is supposed to be very nice. Keep an eye on the road like. Little tight hairpin there. don't care what anybody says, Germany is a lovely country. And the people we've met so far have been absolutely spot on. Well, here's our first look of the Alps in front of us. What a view it is as well. We had 3 days to see these. I've got far to go now. Less than 20 miles to our destination. Oh, look at the scenery. We got no base last night. What a turmoil it was coming up that road there. You do not know how steep it is. It is the worst road I've been on in my life. I'm lucky I didn't drop my bike at least twice. But once we get in here, the scenery is fantastic. That's Gary and Mary down there, having a beer before tea. All these buildings are run by the same people. It's right in the middle of nowhere. It's about 8 miles away from anywhere else, and you've got to come along the valley to get to it. And then when you get to the bottom and you see the road, how steep it is and how far you've got to go, what a nightmare. But the views make up for it. Right, we'll leave you for now.